Hello my YouTube family, I'm here with Skipper Drones, and today I will be bringing you the Flywoo Nin motors. This is a fairly new company here, and they have motors in different kV sizes, and they have frames, and they have ESC. I'm sorry, not an ESC, flight controller. Well, yes, I have these motors here, and they are some pretty nice motors. They come in gold. Yes, we have like 3 different colors here. You get the gold, or the titanium, or the silver. Yes, these are pretty nice motors here. They come in here, packaged up, foam pretty nicely. You get some stickers, so that's nice. These here are the 2306 2750 kV motors here. So these are some pretty nice motors. They run around $21.99. I got like 6 inches of wire on here, so that's pretty cool. About 6 inches, I say, around. So you got plenty of wire here for the longer arm frames. It's 18 gauge wire, so that's nice. Yes, I'm doing a build now. Actually, I have one of their frames here that I'm doing a build on, and this series is going to be called Pimp My Drone. Remember that show Pimp My Ride? Well, Pimp My Drone, you guys. Thought that would be pretty cool. Yes, they have these in 3 different colors: titanium, silver, and gold. I got the gold version here for a reason. It has a hollow titanium alloy shaft. The motor mount holes are 16 by 16. So that's not, and look right here, if you can see, I gotta get another camera, but you can see that little lip right there. So that's good, so that protects the motor from cutting your heat shrink or your wiring. So that's pretty cool right there, you guys. The bearings are 9 by 4. They open. It's an open bottom design. You have the screw there instead of the clip, which is nice. These are some very nice motor, you guys. Powerful, nice, and you will see on the quad that I'm building. You also get your screws, and you get the screw nut on top to match the color of the motor, which is cool. Yes, this is Flywoo. The company is Flywoo. It has a single stranded wires, so that's cool. The magnets look good. So that is awesome. Very awesome. I think it says it weighs around 32 to 35 grams, I believe. I haven't actually weighed it myself, but I think that's how much it weighs. So yes, these are going to be nice right here. I love the color, nicely done, and that's not bad. I don't believe for these motors, $21.99. That's not bad at all. Yes, but like I said, I am building. This is the Flywoo crab here, you guys. This is a 5-inch. This is what they are going on. And actually, right after this video, we will be coming up on a build video. So I think that's gonna look spectacular there. That's gonna be nice, you guys. Gonna be real nice. Very nice. Yes, and I have some good components to go in here too, because I also I had the Foxeer Mini Predator, but actually this is too big for this frame here, so I had to order the Foxeer. I ordered the Foxeer Fokker Micro is what I'm putting in here, you guys. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. But yes, these are the Flywoo motors. And like I said, they have them in different KVs, 3 different colors: titanium, gold, and silver. I had a link in the description below if you guys want to get you a set of them. But I'm telling you, these are some nice motors, and you can look at the design on top of the bell. They feel smooth, very smooth, you guys. These are some nice motors, powerful. So I will see you guys on the next video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button for me. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the description below. And I appreciate all you guys. And thanks for watching. I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.